Car interior lights are controlled by several different systems working together. Understanding these controls is essential for preventing battery drain and managing your vehicle's lighting effectively. The foundation of interior lighting control starts with door jamb switches. These small switches are located in the door frame and complete an electrical circuit when doors are opened. Most vehicles have manual override switches located on the dashboard or overhead console. These switches typically have three positions: on for lights always on, off for lights always off, and door for automatic operation. Modern vehicles from 2023 to 2025 feature advanced interior lighting control through infotainment systems. These allow granular control over individual light zones and customizable timeout settings. There are three primary control methods: manual override switches, dimmer controls that adjust light intensity and timeout duration, and individual light controls for specific zones within the vehicle. Understanding these controls is crucial for preventing battery drain during activities like camping, loading cargo, or maintenance work. Interior lights left on can drain a typical car battery in just 6 to 8 hours. Mastering your vehicle's interior light controls ensures you can manage lighting effectively while protecting your battery from unnecessary drain. The most effective method to turn off interior lights is using the dashboard override switch, found in 95% of vehicles. Look for a switch on your dashboard or overhead console with three positions: on, off, and door. Simply move the switch to the off position to disable all interior lights. For newer vehicles, check your infotainment system settings. This option is available in 80% of vehicles made after 2020. Navigate to Settings, then Vehicle or Lighting Options. Look for interior lights or cabin lighting controls where you can disable automatic door activation. Many vehicles have individual switches for each interior light. This method works in about 60% of vehicles. Check the overhead console, door panels, or near each light fixture for small switches. Press or slide these switches to the off position for each light you want to disable. As a last resort, you can manipulate the door switch, but this should be done cautiously due to safety implications. The door switch is usually located in the door frame. You can temporarily tape it down or use a small object to keep it pressed. But remember, this disables important safety features. Different vehicle types offer specific features. Luxury vehicles typically have comprehensive lighting controls through their infotainment systems. Trucks and SUVs often include work mode settings for extended door open operations, perfect for loading cargo or camping situations. Remember, leaving interior lights on can drain a typical car battery in just 6 to 8 hours, so always turn them off when not needed.